Today we are going to make easy dinner steaks. I purchased this package of country fried steak, cube steak, and all I'm going to do right now is just rinse off front and back of each steak, and then I'm going to get it prepped for the flour. Now we're going to take each steak and we're going to coat it with flour. You may salt and pepper your steak at this point or later on. Now we're going to move over to the stovetop, and you will get a frying pan. I actually would have normally used vegetable oil to coat the bottom of my pan, but I was out, so I'm using Crisco. Now we are going to take each one of our steak and we're going to brown lightly on each side. We're not going to cook this all the way through because it will cook again in the oven. I was hoping to get 4 in this pan and I'm only able to get 3. And this is where I'm going to salt and pepper my steaks. As your steaks are brown on both sides, you will go ahead and get a 9 by 13 inch pan. I sprayed Palm in mine, then I will place each steak in the pan. Now it's time to slice your onion. Of course, use what you prefer as far as amount. I'm doing a half of a medium-sized onion. We're just going to slice it for later use. Now we're going to take 1 dry onion soup mix and we're going to sprinkle it over the tops of our steak. Now I will be adding a can of mushrooms. I have already drained these, and again, just use what you like. I'm using 1 large can. Next, you will take your onion and just sprinkle over the top. I would like to thank you for tuning in to our channel. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell for more fun tips, cooking. We do it all. Again, thank you for tuning in. Now we're going to add 1 can of beef gravy and then fill up the can with water, and you will add that. One tip I'd like to add is if you mix the two together, 1 can of gravy, 1 can of water, and then pour it on top of your steak, it actually does work better It just makes a thinner gravy, but it intertwines the water and the gravy much better. Now it's time to cover your pan with foil. Place the pan in the oven. I baked mine for about an hour and a half at 300 degrees. Now look at this. This is beautiful, delicious, and the family's going to enjoy.